Now let's go over questions 1 through 4 that go along with the story Bullet Trains. And the questions are on page 193 in your iReady reading book. Number 1. Look again at the index. On which page can you find information about the kind of energy bullet trains use? A. Page 5. B. Page 7. C. Page 10. D. Page 12. Which page might tell you which cities in China have bullet trains? A. Page 2. B. Page 5. C. Page 6. D. Page 10. Number 3. Would you be able to find key facts on page 10 about the speed of bullet trains? How can you tell? Number 4. Where would you look if you wanted to find out how bullet trains are run? Talk to a partner about why you would look there. Again, this part you can write or you can talk to someone in your home. Go ahead and press play and do the best you can to answer all the questions. Number 1 asks us to look at the index. We want to know what kind of energy bullet trains use. So to find out about energy, let's see if we can find that keyword in the index. Remember, it says index, so we're not having to look at the introduction. We want to look on the bottom half of this page. And when I'm looking, I see here, energy source, comma 12. This 12 is the page number. So the answer is D, page 12. Number 2. Which page might tell you which cities in China have bullet trains? If I want to know which cities in China have bullet trains, I need to look for some key words, right? I think China is an important word because that's one of the countries. And here we have a list of all the countries that have bullet trains. China are pages 6 through 9. Okay, let's see which choices. Is it 6, 7, 8, or 9? Oh, I think it's right here. C, page 6. That is one of our choices, and it matches that pages 6 through 9 talk about bullet trains in China. So I think it could be on page 6. Number 3. Would you be able to find key facts on page 10 about the speed of bullet trains? How can you tell? This isn't a table of contents where the pages are in order of least to greatest. So that means I need to see if I can find something that gives me a clue about page 10. And once we find which item in the index can go with page 10, we need to see if it matches the speed of bullet trains, okay? I see right here. This is something on page 10, but what's it talking about? Japan. Page 10 is about Japan, and I see over here there's speed. And speed is on 6 and 12. So we just found 2 ways to prove that you could not find answers about speed of bullet trains on page 10. Because 1, we know on page 10 it'll be about Japan, and we know if we're looking at speed that would only be on pages 6 and 12. So that's how we were able to tell. And lastly, number 4. Where would you look if you wanted to find out about how bullet trains are run? How they run. That is our key phrase, right? So if we're looking, I know that all of these are countries, so it can't be there. Energy source, no. Number of trains, no. Oh, here we go. Running a train. Now we know. We would want to look at pages 3 through 12. That means 3 and all the pages in between, right? So 3, 4, 5, 6, all the way to 12. Reading those pages would help us know how trains are run.